Sam's loan statement said that he would pay $8,626.50 in simple interest for a 3-year loan at an interest rate of 13.5%. How much did Sam borrow? Round to the nearest cent. So I'm looking for the principal on this question. I know that my rate is going to be 0.135 because I need to express the rate as a decimal. So I need to move the decimal point over 2 places. I know my time is 3, and I know that my interest is $8,626.50. So I need to plug these values into my formula. So on the right, if you take 0.135 times 3, you get 0.405. So it's 0.405 times p. And then you want to divide both sides by 0.405. So P is equal to $21,300. So that is how much Sam initially borrowed.